It was so exciting to see the way the fire district team recognized the role that emergency response can play. They were really seeing this as a model project to demonstrate the value of clean energy to the community at large.
For years at the Masten Fire Station, we were dependent on backup generators that were diesel powered. They were very old and not dependable in case of emergency.
Critical loads, such as a fire station, is essential to keep up and running. And we hope that this displaces a different type of generation that they would use in an outage, such as a diesel backup generator, which we know produces local emissions.
It's very promising to see emergency response not just step up, but I think in this case, take a leadership role in community resilience and climate change as well.
This project is a model of resiliency for electrical power. It's cleaner, it's more efficient, and will provide cost savings.
South Santa Clara County Fire District is a dependent fire district based on a revenue from property taxes. It doesn't increase very much every year. Any money we could save to buy new fire equipment is helpful for everybody.
This may be the first project of its kind, and it could be, but we hope it's not the last one. We hope that this becomes a model for other fire stations throughout our county to do the same thing, for both the purpose of saving money to get clean energy and for resiliency.